Do you really need to list your site in website directories? You've probably asked yourself, every time you submit a new site, do I really need to spend 2 weeks submitting it to every website directory? The easy answer to that is simply, no. But there are one vital directory it really is important to submit your website to. And one of them isn't Google. The reason? If you've properly optimized your site with keywords and sound SEO practices, Google will most likely index your site faster than it takes one of their editors, and they do have live editors, to get around to it. And you don't need to submit your site to every minor directory under the sun. Oh, you might see a few extra visitors, but the truth is, the hours of time you spend investing manual submission would be better spent on another, more urgent aspect of your business. This directory is the Open Directory Project, better known as stp.org. It's a truly massive project, involving hundreds, or more, of dedicated volunteer editors, with expertise in every single niche you could imagine. It does take a while to get listed in STP, so submit your site as soon as it's complete and not before. You won't rank well with them if their dedicated volunteer editor encounters any of those under construction notices or incomplete pages. Yes, STP will probably catch up with your site eventually, but if you can advance that process by even a few weeks, it may mean a vital difference to your traffic and sales. Here's why. 1. STP Alexa traffic ranking is 760, meaning it sits practically on the pinnacle of Mount Olympus. 2. Its editors rate your content accurately and thoroughly, which is a huge advantage if you've done a good and diligent job creating it. 3. You can optimize the title you enter in STP to provide yourself with a fabulous piece of anchor text. 4. You'll never find the attribute rel equals nofollow in your STP directory listing. This instantly gives you a strong and powerful backlink, which will advance your site towards authority site status. Besides, all it takes is about 15 minutes if you're thorough. Check out their guidelines and add your site today, while your competitors are still chasing fancy SEO schemes. Bonus. There are more than 45 tools which can help you with SEO research and SEO audits. Find all those tools if you wish to. Good part is all those tools is just free to use. Get access now. For more information, please visit SEOtoolsportal.com. If you like this video, then you can subscribe this channel for future updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.